Hi, this is Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our students got placed in the company, so she is going to share her experience.
So hello, my name is Bhumika. I'm from Davangere. My year of password is 2023. I joined in PySpiders in the month of February. For me, SQL was handled by Murli sir, Python was handled by Keshav sir, and manual was handled by Niranjan sir and Pradeep Babu sir. And now I'm ongoing with Selenium Plus with Lakshmi Prasad sir itself. Um,
So which are all the activities helpful to crack interview?
So for me, everyday presentation in bootcamp helped me a lot. That helped me to improve my communication and my confidence level also got improved. And the mock interviews, which here they will give are the best. They will give you the good suggestions, and the daily teachings is also so very good. This all that also helped me to crack the interview.
Yes. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.